Good morning, good morning. Happy Tuesday, happy late Tuesday, because I was late on the chart, so I've taken no trades. Good morning. Good morning, Apple Jacks. I literally just woke up like 20 minutes ago. I don't remember turning my alarm off. Like, I didn't even snooze it. I turned it off. Don't remember that. I was in some weird dream where my cousin's mama wasn't his actual mama. My sperm donor was there. It just was so uncomfortable. I said, girl, you need to wake up. And I did, and it was 8:42, and now we're here. So yeah, I have not taken any trades. We are going to try something a little different today, so I'll see if it works out. I kind of took what Janelle said yesterday about she was encouraging me to add the good morning, Timbo. How are you this morning? Good morning. Applejacks, why is that your mood? She was encouraging me to add the volume up down indicator back. So you know what? She might be on to something. She might. So we're going to go in. I am going in with 5 contracts today because it doesn't matter. We're starting today off with $65 in profit. So if I fail the account and have to start over at renewal tomorrow, it's fine. Because we only got $65 in profit anyway. But yeah, we're gonna try something. It's gonna be a combination of the volume up down indicator and order flow. So we'll see. Go back to the combination, but in a little slightly different way. All right, I wanted to make sure this renews tomorrow. It does. Okay. All right, so a couple of, okay, I'm green light to trade now. 60. Oh, that's gonna lose pretty fast. Now I probably am gonna, you know what? I'm gonna stick to no counter trend. Well, no, that's not true. I'm lying. I am gonna do counter trend, but I don't really like that counter trend move, but that's okay. We're just gonna experiment today because why not? Why not? Actually, I'm gonna. Good morning, Janelle. Good morning. Miss Trading. Oh, 2 seconds from punching these people's screen. Oh. Was Trader Bay having issues or you just were? Oh. I didn't say anything. Oh my goodness. I was saying that oh shoot, because I was late to the charts. Oh, that's the high right there. All right. So yeah, I have to figure out the counter trend still, but we're still gonna try it out a little bit. But no, I was saying that I took your suggestion of adding the volume up down indicator back. I had a very busy day yesterday, so I wasn't able to get as much data as I wanted to kind of start today, but that's all right. That's all right. So yeah, we'll see what happens. But I am putting 5 contracts on. The goal is to just try to get back to full drawdown if possible. I might lower that to 3 contracts. We'll see. But I know I'm gonna do 5 because I woke up late. So there's a lot that I've likely missed in the beginning of the session, and we're stopping at 9:45 still. So if I blow the account, it's fine. I only had $65 in profit on the account, so I'm not tripping. Yeah. All right, well, this is doing this. Let me fix my overnight levels because I forgot to do buyouts. But this is what happens when you go to sleep late and you wake up late. Went on the app and it wouldn't close. Oh no. Did you end up being able to close it without like having to were you in profit at least? I hope so too, Janelle. I think it will. We'll see. We will see. So we're just gonna try it out, because why not? Everything gone? Yes, cool. I am so mad that I woke up so late. $20. Oh my God. Oh my goodness. How much drawdown I got left? Like $800? 800. 28. That stopped out so damn fast. I couldn't even see it. I think I'm going to, all right, I'm going to stick to just the pullbacks for now. I even wrote that on my sheet to only do pullbacks today, but you know, when you wake up late, you just want to do everything. Yeah, I'm going to only do the pullbacks today. It's fine. See what happens. But yeah, I wasn't able to do much as far as gathering data out of my charts yesterday because the kids were over here. I had to do the baby's hair when I woke up from my nap. My niece and my sister got a dog. She brought a dog home. Yeah. That was a whole thing. But either way, my niece just went completely crazy when she couldn't pick the dog up anymore. Puppy, 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 I just want the puppy, I just want to have the puppy. I mean, she just was so dramatic, crying and just acting a damn fool. So by the time they got out of here, I just really didn't have much time last night. But that's all right. So I have to get to $350 in profit total on the account. So I have to be at 50,350 in order to stop myself, in order to get back to full drawdown. So yeah. Girl does the most. Glitching is screwing everybody in the top step Discord. Thankfully I couldn't exit close and not in a red. Oh man. I was honestly, when NinjaTrader acquired Tradeovate, I was hoping that they did some kind of maintenance to it to not make it so glitchy. And I also wonder if eventually they'll take away the, what do you call it? The, like the API limit and stuff, because we don't deal with that on NinjaTrader. But I wonder how the back end of that is built to where that even matters, you know? I don't know. I wonder what makes it as glitchy as it is, because most people that I know who use Tradeovate but don't trade on Tradeovate don't really have glitches like that. Does it? Oh, it does. Okay. Also, I decided that I am not trading that 25K account until I have my strategy. I'm confident enough in my strategy to just trade minis, because I only have like 600 and something drawdown left on. It was a 25K account. And yesterday when I went and journaled, so I actually was 3-3-1, so 3 wins, 3 losses, and a break even on my leader account yesterday. I was 0-6 on the follower account with the micros. How? I even went to an M&Q chart, and I should have never gotten stopped out the way that I did on the 3 wins. So for now, we're just gonna, no. That way I could just trade one mini and just kind of keep it moving. But that really fucking pissed me off, because I was like, how am I down about the same amount? Like, that doesn't even make sense. I'm on 5 micros over here, and I'm on a 3 minis over here. That doesn't make sense that I'm down the same amount. But yeah, that's basically what happened. New laptop. Oh my gosh, Janelle, you got to be more careful. Are you at least okay after the fall? Or wait, did you fall down the staircase, or your laptop did, or both of you? Me too. Too much. Oh no, don't push new highs, please. For the life of me. You let the Janelle said that is an inanimate object. We're not following with it. Oh my god, I'm so weak. Oh my goodness. It should not be this funny. Oh man, that is hilarious. So now you got to get it fixed again. 48. My funniest like almost fall down the steps was when I was living in my townhouse, and I was walking down the steps, and a spider, I swear to you that this damn thing timed its entry, okay? A spider just fell from the ceiling on a web, and I hate bugs, okay? I am terrified of any kind of bug. I don't care if it is living or dead. I am terrified, okay? I just don't like it. I just got to the point where I can actually kill spiders myself, although I have not seen one in a very, very, very long time, knock on wood. I used to like scream for my mother to come kill spiders if I saw them, okay? Yes. Even at my big old age. But anyway, I slipped down them steps. I grabbed that rail so fast. Listen, my life was almost over, all because the damn spider wanted to come. And I had like, it was like very high ceilings coming up the steps. So I don't, listen, that little string from the spider web was so long. Just the thought of it. A spider wanted to kill me that day. It wanted me out of here. Did I take 2 counter trend trades? I think I did. No, I didn't. That wasn't counter trend, but kind of. But yeah, it just was a mess. It was 28. I promise you, they set up the craziest traps, okay? Listen. And then, like, when I was a lot younger, I don't know where this came from, but when I was a lot younger and we first moved into this house, we would get these around this time of year. It was making me itch. Ugh, just thinking about it. Around this time of year, we would get these things called, I think it's called silverfish or something. I don't know. They would come out of the, and it wouldn't be like a whole lot of them or anything, but enough to make me say, we would get these silverfish that would come out of the drain of the tub, and sometimes it would come out of the fan. It's very weird. Very weird. 76. But I haven't seen one of those in a very long time either. Come on. Don't do me like that. Well, that was supposed to be a full TP. Oh, that just pissed me off. I'm not gonna lie to you. How did that happen? That was supposed to be a full TP. You motherfuckers. Ain't that some shit? They look terrifying. Girl, they are so ugly. I hate them. 47 is the opposite. I cannot believe I didn't get my full TP right there. That just pissed me off. I have like $700 of drawdown left, which means I have to make like 1,000 plus just to get back to full drawdown. That just pissed me off. $15. I literally watched, I saw that it was at the, I don't know why that happened. That just irritated me. Was I not? See something. Close. 27.75. Yeah, I should have gotten a TP on that. Very interesting. I did not do all of that for nothing. How did that even happen? It was. I just knew it was gonna hit. I mean, I literally saw it sitting there on the level. upward. I'm trying to, oh no. This sucks. I might lose. I don't even like that setup that much. Oh, because it changed, of course. All right, well, we're almost at full drawdown. I'll just trade my sim account after that. I thought it was a trap and the POC changed at the last second. I only got 210 left in the account, so whatever. So let me do, I'm gonna risk the whole thing. It was supposed to be a trap. And it's set up different, changed. Got stopped out just for it to go where I wanted it to, which happens quite often. 62. Am I gonna lose every trade? You have got to be shitting me. All right, the account should be blown now, which I'm kind of happy about. Now I get to start from scratch. All right, hold on. I'm gonna switch to a sim account. Give me a second. All right, so I get to start over, which I'm happy about on that account. I'm like kind of not liking carrying balances over anymore. It sounds very weird, but I just feel like if I didn't pass it in the first, you know, however many days, 30 days, that I just need to start over. Like, obviously whatever I'm doing is not working at the time, so I would rather start over. What are the specs? There's no specs. It's just a volume up down. So all it does is tell me the volume inside of each candle, basically. That's it. Nothing crazy. Nothing crazy at all. All right, so I'm just gonna do one contract per trade. But I have to just remember how the order flow indicator can flip last second. Like when I was trying to get into this trade, the POC was somewhere like down here. And I have the price line indicator on here for a reason, because like if the POC is down here, but one of these levels are pretty close to taking over wherever the POC is and prices below wherever the POC is, then at any point in time, you know, we could just push any kind of volume in any of the levels above it and change last second. So I actually prefer, like, if the POC looks how I want it to be, I prefer for us to be trading above it if I'm going for a buy, obviously, and not come back, because at any point in time it can change. But yeah, it's still like a very, 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 very rough draft, which, yeah. I know if I had more time yesterday, I'd have got it together, but kind of is what it is. The one trade I didn't get filled on the TP, and then this one were like the only ones that I actually liked. But now that I am in sim, oh, you know what? Now I will kind of take some of the counter trend trades as well. Let me restore this so that the sim will show up. All right, cool. But yes, 43. Okay. There was just like a blast of volume out of nowhere. Now, my only other issue though, and this is something I don't like about trading order flow, is that unless you have like for today, right? If I was to journal everything as it stands on my chart right now, fine. But when you back test with order flow, the numbers that you see are not always what it actually is. That's the one thing I don't like. And I don't know if that's just with the wrinkles and the way that the indicator is created. I went and looked to see like, okay, is it better for me to trade with the bid ask, excuse me, or the up down tick? And it said the bid ask was best. I could potentially look at that to see if it actually is. I don't know. But that's the only problem. Because there have been times where like, all right, I write down what the delta of the bars are in real time, like as I'm or as I journal for the day or whatever. But then like let's say a week later, I want to relook at that data and I use the tick replay to put it on my chart or whatever, then it'll literally show me totally different numbers. Now, most of the time, the numbers when you compare them to other numbers, like let's say I'm comparing certain bars, most of the time, like if this bar delta was more than this one, it's still gonna be more than that one, but not all the time. So that's the only other thing that kind of sucks with putting something together that incorporates order flow. It's not always the most accurate. Not on this one. This one was fine. That trade I'm okay with losing. It was this one. The point of control changed at the last second on this one. I wanted the delta to be less than 46, which it was. The POC was opposite, making it a trap. Whenever there's like this kind of pullback where we have the lower high to higher low, I prefer for it to be a trap. Like basically trying to trap the sellers to continue up since they didn't have the ability to push down. And so once the POC changed like that, I couldn't see it happen. Otherwise I would have gotten out of the trade, but that's all right. But yeah, once I completely get this how I want it to be, I think it'll be fine. But basically what I've noticed and I said this yesterday, was like, I think that I'm missing something by not having the volume up down indicator on, mainly because like knowing how much volume is in a reversal bar is pretty important on the Rinkos, obviously with just the way that I'm trading them. Because like for instance here, with trying to push back towards the new higher low, right? I obviously want more volume in this reversal bar back up than the bar that pushed down. Otherwise, it doesn't make sense, right? Because this is a resistance level, obviously. And so we need enough volume to try to push through it. And so I was missing that by taking that off of my charts and just looking at order flow. Because there was a couple of trades yesterday where I could tell that, like, no, the volume is kind of what screwed this trade up, kind of thing. But yeah, 789. But yeah, I am going to take counter trend moves now that it doesn't matter. Counter trend is sometimes your friend. Yeah, sometimes. The biggest thing is that I mean, I have such limited data. I literally only have yesterday's data, and then for the counter trend divergence, I didn't even, oh yeah, for the other trades, I did look at the 17th, like just the pullbacks though. I didn't have time last night to look at divergence and stuff too. So that's part of it, but it's okay. I came into today knowing I was going to blow that account so I can start over, so I wasn't tripping. It was like, okay, well, if I get back to full drawdown, great, but I wasn't really pressed at all. So I'm just going to experiment a little bit. Need to, I don't want to take that. Let me make sure this account, okay, did. And I need to go to Trade Seller real quick and sync this before. Damn it. Of course. I hate how quickly Take Profit Trader, as soon as you fail an account, it is gone, honey, okay? Gone. Liquidate only mode, daily loss limit, drawdown. Okay. Oh, I didn't know that goes in there. Oh, nice. I can't even put the trades into my TradeZella because it's not going to sync now. That means I need to do it through, hopefully it shows up here. That's so annoying. They get rid of your account so fast. I couldn't even pull the data out of the freaking trade performance. I don't even give you like an hour. Is this gonna be my session for the day? Yeah, no, baby, that account is gone. Legit. Like I can't even sync the freaking account. And then when I try to do it on the trade performance in NinjaTrader, error from server, account not found. Like I legit hate it. Like y'all don't think people want to pull their trades out before you just completely close the trade? They don't care. They don't. And then there's my trade evade. You can see the account's gone. It is gone. I don't think so. I don't remember if I tried to sign up or if I feel like I tried to sign up, but I never heard back or something. Or maybe I didn't. Because I thought about becoming an affiliate there. Let me see if I did it or not. Maybe I didn't end up doing it. I thought I did. Maybe they asked me a weird ass question or something. I don't remember. I feel like I printed. I feel like I filled this out before. Your application will be reviewed in 1 to 3 business days. I must not have, because it said it'll let you know about their decision. I must not have done it. Because I know at first I wasn't going to sign up as an affiliate because I didn't know if I was going to like it or not. But then when I paid for that's how it does it now. When I paid for the year subscription, I feel like thought I was gonna do it then, but maybe I'm tripping. Because I definitely paid for the year for it. I could have sworn I did this, but maybe I didn't. I don't know. And why is that doing that now? What time is it? Oh, I got 4 minutes left. I guess this thing is just not going to pull back at all. It's gone up 170 ticks. What am I looking for? I could have sworn I did. What do you want? Please leave me alone. I'm so sick of people. What? Oh, I'm slow. No, I'm not. I don't have to do it. I swear I thought I already did this, but I must not have because I don't have a login. Well, my application's pending now. But I thought I did that. Oh shit, we have a pullback. It's probably not gonna be, oh, well, maybe. Oh, it's not gonna have enough volume in it. Maybe. No. The delta ended up being the same. 94, 94. What a hoot. No, because I needed to do that anyway. I had also planned to make sure that it was done before. I want to do like I've been saying this for a minute, but I just hadn't started doing it. I wanted to do like a week in my trade journal type of thing. And obviously with the trade journal, it was going to incorporate TradeZilla. But like I said, I could have sworn I already did it, but I must not have. You know, my memory doesn't serve me correct most of the time, so not surprising. Not surprising at all. Heck yeah. Oh, my trading session's over. Great. I'm gonna go journal this and try to collect some more data because I can tell that I am going to like trading this way. I just don't have all the data that I need, that's all. But yeah, all right, so account is blown, which is fine. So I'm gonna restart that account tomorrow. It renews tonight at midnight, it should. And then we'll start that account fresh and kind of see where I can go from there. I'm gonna try, if I don't get too sleepy, I'm gonna try to back test all of last week. I already have last Monday, but I need to put in the divergence trend and counter trend from last Monday on, and then I need to do the pullbacks from Tuesday up until Friday. So hopefully I can extract enough data today without getting too tired, because I can say that basically what I'm trying to do is make it to where, like, whatever the I'm only comparing my entry bar to the previous reversal bar, and that's it, unless there's a double bottom, double top, start, middle, or end. It's a little bit different. But essentially, when I compare the volume in this candle to this one, I want the delta to match. That's it. And so because of that, it automatically gets rid of quite a lot of trades that's on the chart, because the way I was trading before with just order flow or just volume, like trying to make it work, I have to like literally pull out every single, so if I'm looking at pullbacks, I have to pull out every single pullback from the chart, compare the data, and figure out what pattern kind of makes them work. And that can be a lot. Like, I think it was last Friday and Saturday, maybe Thursday, Friday, something like that. I pulled out like over 417 trades from the charts, but because I have various setups, 417 really wasn't that much when you break down like how many different volume combinations there are and stuff like that. And so it took me so many hours to do that, which can be very frustrating, right? So at least now I've eliminated quite a bit, because if the volume comparison doesn't equal the delta comparison, well, then I automatically just don't even pay attention to it. But yeah, that's what I want to try to stick with. Like I said, I have to pull more data out or whatever, and that's what I'm going to try to do, because I want to at least start that new account off on the right foot. So if I can at least get a couple of more days of data and just kind of go from there, because really what I'm doing is I'm incorporating a little bit of what I was doing with volume only and a little bit of what I was doing with order flow before, and trying to combine the two and see where I can kind of go from there. But we'll see. We'll see. So sorry you guys that it was a trashy stream, but it is what it is. Like I said, I kind of already figured I was going to end up blowing that account today anyway, and I don't really care. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the stream. Please like the video on your way out if you haven't already. Subscribe if you haven't already. But other than that, I will see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. Central Standard Time. Enjoy the rest of your day. Bye, guys.